Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Today I'm going to show you a shovel that I picked up at Lowe's over the weekend, and it's one of the shovels that I've been needing for a long time. Some of the areas that I dig, there's a lot of roots because of oak trees or maple trees, and this shovel really helps me get through the ground. I'm going to show you what that shovel is as soon as we come back, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the shovel I wanted to show you. As you can tell, I haven't taken it out of the plastic or anything like that because I wanted to show you guys first. This is called the Root Slayer. Okay, it's a digging shovel for areas if you have a lot of ground that has a lot of small roots from, like I said, oak trees or maple trees or any trees like that. So it has some serrated edges on it, and I'm going to show you this. Let's take this plastic off. And these are really sharp, and that's why they have these guards on there. But you can see right here, the edges there, the way it's just going to cut in the ground. And when this cuts into the ground, it's really just going to slice through those smaller roots. Okay guys, so I found a place next to this maple here. There's some large roots, some smaller roots. And I'm going to show you, if you're digging around a tree like that, this is really going to be helpful. So here's a little area here. And you can see there's a large root right there. So we have a lot of roots in here. And if you have big roots like this, then you know that you're going to have the smaller roots as well, okay? And you can see these little fibrous roots right in here. And you'll just break it up. Now you'll have to go around, and you can see the edge of it right here. It's going to help you really cut into this soil. And you see what I was dealing with right there. And you just pull it out. And then once you get past those roots there, then you can use a rounded edge shovel or something like that, but this really gets it done. And see, now you're down into good soil. But you had to get past all those little roots here and some of those larger roots. So here it is. And you can see some of the roots right here and right there as well. Like I said, this is a really great shovel to have, especially if you're dealing with soil around a tree. This is really going to get through that soil, and it's really going to help you get down into that good soil that you can use to put your plant in. Okay guys, so run out and pick up one of these shovels. It has a limited lifetime warranty. It's about a little over $40, maybe I think it was around $44. And it has a good fiberglass handle on it. Comfort handle up here. It's made out of good steel. So, I mean, it's a really good shovel. I use a lot of cobalt tools, and especially the shovels and the rakes, as you've probably seen some of my reviews on those. But I've used one of these in the past at a client's home, and I've been kind of waiting to get one. And cobalt with the limited warranty, why not? Give it a shot. But it feels like it's really strong, and I think you're gonna like it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you out. And we'll see you on the next one.